Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Clinger grenade in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to begin with the top, and we're going to draw the plunger first. So this one, we'll just draw one, and this one's going to be in perspective. So we're going to draw one curve like this, kind of round, and then we're going to draw the opposite curve. Okay, so that's going to be the top of the plunger, and then we're going to give a little lip here. So we're going to come straight down, a little bit of an angle, and then we're going to draw the same curve as the one above. Alright, and then from here, now we draw the whole plunger. So it's just going to be one bow shape all the way around. Alright, and then we gotta draw the inside because it's hollow, right? So again, we gotta draw the same curve, but just smaller. And then the opposite curve. Alright, so that's the top, that's the plunger area. So now for the stick here, just draw two straight lines, and then we're gonna give it a little bit of curve, same as that one. Okay, and then now for the bomb itself, so this one's a little bit easier. We're just gonna draw a ball. Just start from here, and we're just gonna go all the way around and just draw a circle as best as you can. I know it's a little bit tricky, so you can use a drawing guide if you want, or sketch it in first. Alright, so then on the inside of the bomb, there's gonna be some detail. So from the middle here, just kind of draw like a little bit of curve. And then we're going to go out this way. And now we're going to draw another curve that's slightly, just a little bit more curved than the first one that we draw. And then now on the inside, we're going to draw the same thing. So we're just giving the line some thickness. Okay, and then there's going to be 4 screws right here. So just draw that, that one's easy. And then there's going to be some detail here. Just drawing some line, a thicker line, just kind of curve it like that. And then on the side here, it looks like there's some kind of patchwork going on. So we just draw curve, same curve, close it. And then there's going to be a couple of screws here. And now we're going to draw another one. So just 2 little curves like that. Close that off. Again, 2 more screws. Alright, so let's move on to the bottom. So we're going to come down. So on the side here, just draw that. And then now we're going to draw the same curve as this. So we're just going down, curve it. Okay, and then there's going to be some, looks like some kind of wing here on the side, right? So we can draw a line here. And then just kind of go out. Just slant that and then just close it off. Alright, so then on the other side it's going to be the same. Straight and then just slant it. Close it off. And then let's see, there's going to be some details here. This one's easy, we're just drawing a rectangle and then put a circle in there. Same thing on this side. And then there's going to be one more here, but it's coming toward us, so we can't see it as much. So just draw a rectangle. Just add a little bit of that's gonna be actually the front end. And then for the screws, we just draw 2 little things right there. Alright, so that's pretty much everything except for the plunger. So we're gonna continue this line. Okay, we just continue that line right in the middle. Then we're gonna close it off. And then there's going to be some detail in the end. There's a cap, so we're going to give it another section. And then there's going to be kind of like a little hook here. Just draw that and just give it some thickness. And that is it for this Clinger grenade. It's actually very cool and actually very easy to draw. So hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.